Media kit, uncovered, making sense of the term. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving deep into the term, media kit. If you've ever wondered what it means or how it's used in various contexts, this video is for you. Let's break it down. A media kit, often known as a press kit, is a pre-packaged set of promotional materials that provide information about a person, company, organization, or cause. They're primarily used to make it easier for journalists and reporters to understand the subject's key points and to produce content about it. 1. Professionalism. Having a media kit presents you or your business as organized and professional. It shows that you're prepared and serious about your brand or message. 2. Ease for reporters. Reporters and journalists are often on tight schedules. A media kit makes their job easier by providing ready-to-use information. 3. Consistent branding. It ensures that your brand is presented consistently across different platforms and media outlets. Every detail, from the images used to the tone of the written content, portrays your brand in a specific, pre-decided manner. A standard media kit might include bio, a short biography of the person or history of the company. Press releases, information on the latest news or events related to the subject. High-resolution photos, professional photos that journalists can use in their publications. FAQs, answers to frequently asked questions about the subject. Contact information, details on how to get in touch for more information or interviews. There you have it. A media kit is an essential tool for ensuring that your brand or message is communicated effectively and consistently. Whether you're a business owner, a public figure, or even a budding influencer, having a well-prepared media kit can make a world of difference in how you're perceived. We hope this video has shed some light on the term for you. Until next time, keep learning and growing.